Ever wondered where your cryptocurrency hardware wallet comes from? With the rise in popularity of digital assets, security has become paramount, and hardware wallets offer a robust solution. Among the various players in this space, ELLIPAL has garnered attention. But a question that often pops up is ELLIPAL a Chinese company? It's a fair question, especially given the global nature of the cryptocurrency market and the varying levels of trust consumers place in different regions. When dealing with something as valuable as your digital assets, knowing the origin of the security protecting them is certainly important. To answer this directly, yes, ELLIPAL is a company headquartered in China. Their main operations and development are based there. This fact is often readily available on their official website and in company information. Now, before any immediate conclusions are drawn, let's delve a little deeper. Being a Chinese company doesn't automatically equate to a lack of security or trustworthiness. The world of technology is incredibly interconnected, and many reputable and high-quality tech companies originate from China. Think about some of the leading names in various tech sectors. Many have their roots in China and serve a global customer base with reliable products and services. However, it's also understandable that some users might have concerns. These concerns often stem from broader geopolitical considerations and data privacy discussions. It's crucial to address these nuances without resorting to generalizations. ELLIPAL, like any other company in the cryptocurrency hardware wallet space, should be evaluated based on its product quality, security features, transparency, and track record. Do they have a history of security breaches? How transparent are they about their security protocols? What kind of customer support do they offer? These are the critical questions to ask, regardless of the company's geographical origin. ELLIPAL, for its part, has emphasized security in its product design. Their air-gapped approach, meaning the wallet doesn't connect to the internet or other networks, is a key feature designed to protect against remote attacks. They also employ various security chips and protocols to safeguard private keys. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to trust an ELLIPAL hardware wallet shouldn't solely hinge on its country of origin. Instead, it should be based on a comprehensive assessment of its security architecture, the company's reputation within the cryptocurrency community, independent security audits, if available, and your own comfort level with their operational practices. Do your research. Explore reviews from reputable sources. Understand the security features they offer and how they are implemented. Compare ELLIPAL with other hardware wallet options available in the market. Consider the transparency of the company in addressing security concerns and providing updates. The cryptocurrency space demands vigilance. Whether a company is based in China, Europe, North America, or anywhere else, thorough due diligence is essential before entrusting them with the security of your digital assets. Understanding the origin of a company is just one piece of the puzzle. The complete picture involves evaluating their technology, their commitment to security, and their engagement with the community. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.